Look like you guys are. Here we go. You ready? Balls in.
We won't say them.
Balls in, coming in!
I think that's what you meant, right? All right, batter. All right, yo, ladies, you ready to have some fun?
Let's go, ladies. Let's go.
All right, girls, let's go to work. Here we go. All right, batter, here we go. Punt.
Let's go, Megan!
One strike. One ball, two strikes.
Let's go, Megan! Come on, Megan! You got this! Come on, girl, show your picture.
Ball, bring it up just a little bit more. 2-2. 2-2.
You got this, Megan! Come on, Eve, you got this!
Got some wheels there.
Come on, Eva!
Fast. Keep walking, girls. Keep walking. Here we go. 2-2. Punt.
She's a home run hitter. Get back, get back, get back. It's for you.
3-2. Victory.
Hey, watch the short one.
Foul. One strike. One strike. Play.
Three's a lucky number. Three's a lucky number. And Madison's got the number. Madison's got the number. She's gonna hit it. Dinger. She's gonna hit it. Dinger. Right up the center. Right up the center. Three's a lucky number. Three's a lucky number. And Madison's got the
One's
number.
out. 2 outs. Let your team know.
Let's go, Scarlet! Let's go, Scarlet!
Go. Here we go. 1-1. No.
Hey, good hold.
2-1. Strike. Go. 2-2. Ball. Full count. 3-2. Bring the back. Go. Get your head up. Get your head up.
Good job, AJ. Good. There's no round. Ladies, just like yesterday, just Clean at the plate. Only swing at strike. All right, let's go. A lot of noise in the dugout, ladies. A lot of noise.
Watch the pitcher, watch the pitcher, watch the pitcher, pitch the ball. Is she hot? I don't know, I don't care. Can hit her anywhere, so rock her world, rock her world, her world, all the way to home plate.
Thank you.
If anybody wants to buy them, we have to.
Thank you.
Oh, hey, what's up? Hour 20? Hour 20. Okay, because
12
I
you.
was originally told 110.
No, Sundays, hours
I want
one.
to make sure. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what
and then
thought.
5 runs. That's 12 you see.
No unlimited run around. Okay.
Gotcha.
Gotcha.
The whole day.
Awesome.
All
Sounds
right,
good.
Thank you.
No problem. And there's 3 down here, right? Yeah. 4. 4 games. You're 4, yeah. They put you on 3? No, I lied. 3. You're right. I was thinking yesterday was 4. Today's 3. You're right. Not a problem. Thank you. Yeah, 2 semis and a championship. Not a problem. Ball's in. Get you going. You okay? Oh.
Balls in, coming down, the other team is going down. Balls in, coming down, the other team is going down. Going down!
All right.
Nice job, Summer. Nobody on! Nobody on! Come on, Liz! Adeline! Got this! Let's go!
Come on.
Come on, Eddie. You got this.
Foul!
Nice shot!
One strike. Punch. Ball outside. Okay, no outs.
Come on, bros, you got this.
No outs. Punch. So let's get ready. Here we go. One out. Punch. Ball low. Bring up the new pitch.
There we go, Karen.
2-0.
Be selective, kid.
Third, 3-0.
Jump on it, girl, you know you want it. Girl, you know you want it. Hey, Kendall. Send it. Send it.
we're all standing on top of second base. I'll have to call obstruction again, okay? Just to let you know. Punt.
I see a picture. Picture for picture. I got it! 2 hands! Yeah! Waiting! Summer, up in front of that plate. Hey, always up in front of that plate if someone's on it.
Just like yesterday, Nate.
Okay, Adam, here we go.
There you go, kid.
1 out, play.
There you go, kid. I'd like last game.
Yeah, we had to out at first. All right, Joe, here we go. Got 1 strike, we're playing. Keep working, good stuff.
Come on, Abby!
Come on.
Come on, Abby! Let's do 7!
Inside.
Good job, Paige. Megan, 2 steps back. You got this, 2 steps. You got this, kid. Watch forward. Check 3, go 1. Let's go, Abby. Heads up, outfield.
Go!
There you go.
1-1. All right, so here we go. 1-1. Foul.
Good cut.
Strike. 1-2. Okay, 1 ball, 2 strikes. Punt. Out at first. Like the team knows, 2 out.
If I were you and you were me, I'd scoot your booty back, scoot your booty back. But I'm not you and you're not. Stay where you're at.
Batter, they shoot you out that they make a play there if they have to, okay? 2-0.
Let's go, Abe!
Come on, Abby, you got this!
Here we go, Karate!
All right, girls, here we go. 2-0, we're playing.
Come on, Abe!
1-6.
time.
Yeah. Our left fielder was just running for it.
All right, here we go. Thank you. Touch. I gotta get remembered.
Nice start, nice start. Gotta have these, come on. Ball game, girls.
Oh, there, coming down! 1, 2, 3, Lightning! Addison, Summer, Pilates.
Okay, batter, please. Thank you. Need that.
Here we go, Aiden. Come on, kids.
Addison, you got it!
You all set,
Let's go,
lady?
Addison!
Okay, batter, you all ready?
She's all ready! Get back, get back, get back! She's all ready! Get back, get back, get back!
Ball
Right,
outside.
Addison! Get that goodie back! Way back, forward! Addison, no, you and you're at least to stay right where you are. So she can hit it far. Come on, Ava! Addison!
Yeah?
Hey!
Good job, good
You gotta
job.
come in, okay? You got this, Addison!
One ball, one strike. Strike. 2-2. Jake. Oh.
One strike.
One strike. Punt.
Right side, be ready. Everything in front, AJ.
One strike. Punt.
Nice pick.
Nine ball. Strike.
Nice job. Look at that battery. Good job. Double leg back. Let's go. All right, ladies, let's go. A lot of noise. Let's go.
Ball's in.
Everybody's obsessed with that.
Automatically assume.
All the way down to second, please. And I didn't get to do a fistball half day.
Just make way of introducing myself to you. All right, have fun. All right. All right, girls, here we go. Punt. All right, girls, here we go. Punt. One. One ball, two strikes. running for the catcher. 1 out. All right, let's stay focused. 1 out, punt.
Good choice, Adeline. Yeah, Ben Afro. Oh yeah, Ben Afro. Hey, come on.
Come on, Kendall.
5 for 4.
You don't have any subs, so your extra hitters, so they're going to go in and play defense. As long as your batting lineup doesn't change, that's all I need to know. As long as you put everything in your batting line.
Alright, thank you.
I will let them know it's
Just like last time, hit it hard somewhere.
5 for 4.
5 for 4. Yes, the batting lineup's not changing, they're just bringing her in as a defensive move.
Okay.
Just letting you know out of the courtesy, all right?
Oh wait, also, sorry, one more. 12 for 3.
12 for 3.
Yes, right here.
12 for 3. You want to write that down? Right field. Lineup staying the same. They're still batting in their spots, right? They're going to be coming up to everything. All right, but just remember once you make the sub.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So now you have no bench players. You just have extra hitters. They can only re-enter back into that spot 1 time. Does that make sense? Here we go. 1 out. Punt.
Come on, Kendall.
Punt.
KK, get ready.
Strike. One strike, 1 out.
Come on, H. Drive it. That's it.
Instead of standing here like this, step up here. Let the runner come in, okay? So this way they don't trip. You know what I mean? Okay. Here we go. 1 out. Punt. strike.
Hey, Pete. Eat it. Oh, yeah, Pete.
You're up, you're up.
Hey, still special. Oh, yeah, Ava.
Great hit, kid, great hit.
All right, everybody out. Hustle up. Stay focused. Stay focused. Thank you.
Peyton Emiliella.
There's a picture of Tuffy in that
She was trying to make that throw that ball. And that girl. We knew you had your back hit, but yeah, she did end up doing it. Like I said, we know you had your back. But we knew you had your back. We understand you had your back. That's okay. We understand you had your back.
Ball's in.
When you're by yourself. Yeah. Like I said, we knew you were out there and had your back. Thank you.
No problem. No problem. Soldiers. Look, I see a bunch of girls smiling. I'm happy. That's all. Win or lose, I don't care, Rich. Just have some fun. All right, you ready?
No, Peyton Emiliella.
All right, little lady, you ready? Let's go. Fight. Strike. 1-1. One ball, one
Abby,
strike.
move away. Move towards first, Dad.
2-1. Two balls, two strikes.
You got
2-2.
this, Peyton. Leave, Peyton. You got this.
Strike 3.
Here we go, Em.
Outfield, be alert.
Fight. Ball. 2-1. 2-1. Three balls, one strike. Strike. count. 3-2. Ball 4. Strike that counts 1-1. 1 ball, 1 strike. Punt. 2-1. 2 balls, 1 strike. Make sure to grow up so I can nose the corner after the ball's out of her hand. 3-1. Watch. Strike. That ball's clearly still in the pitcher's hand. You can even keep her on the base. 3-2. Just trying to do a little game management, that's all. I want the girls to play, you know? 2 outs. Punt. All right, girls, 1 strike. Coming down, please.
Balls in! Balls in! Coming down, the other team is going down. Balls in! Coming down, the other team is going down, going down! I feel like he was like...
Shortstop. Go back to second base. Go towards first base. With the base, get the big right. Keep going. A lot more. Thank you.
They're literally just sitting there.
Thank you. Okay, batter.
Come on, 2-7, you got this!
One more.
All right,
Come on, Abby, count to 2-7! Good eye.
Here we go, KK.
2-1.
Here we go, 9. Battle back here, KK. Here we go, KK. Get your locks out there, KK. Nice shot, man.
Fight. Go. Fight.
Let's hit him!
One out. Fight. Also catcher. Good job. Good hustle. 20. 2 out. Third. 3 out.
Here we go, KK. Battle back here. Let's get to it.
Three balls. 1 strike. outside, all four. Foul. One strike, play.
Left side, get ready!
Shake! One ball, no strike. Good enough. Out of point! One ball, one strike. Punt. Two one. Yes. Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you. All right, girls. Here we go. Let's focus. Two balls, one strike, punt. Foul. Two balls, two strikes. Punt. Turn.
Top of the lineup, Megan, Madison, Scarlett.
Top of the order, Ace. Top of the order.
Ball's in, coming down. Okay, can I have a batter, please?
Here we go, Megan.
All right, you ready to go? Punt. Oh, stop. One ball, one strike. balls, 1 strike.
Here we go, Megan.
2-2.
Come on, Ava, you got this.
Come on, Megan.
Strike 3. I got it. Ready? Here we go. Now.
Straighten it out. You got it? From Madison.
1 strike. Fight. 1-1.
Come on, Ava, you got this.
Okay, 3-1.
Come on, Ava, you got this.
Here we go, Matt.
Strike. Okay, full count.
Make sure it's a strike.
3-2.
You got this.
Ball 4.
Drop it and go. Drop it out.
Foul. One strike. Fight. One ball, 2 strikes.
One more.
Fight. Here we go. Dead ball. There's a point attempt to hit her in the box. Still goes to strike 3. Body's out. 2 outs. Okay, 2 outs. Strike.